I want to show you guys a pop flash.
Bro, it's case unboxing time. Fuck off.
Okay, fine.
Alright. What do we unbox? What do we unbox?
I think they dropped bomb though.
Oh, one went down.
What?
Oh, they did have bomb. Sorry.
Went down. Lit.
No
Last
way.
guy should be lit. Last guy should be lit.
Camera's rich as fuck.
Mini.
Mini.
You got him?
Where's
Minnie's
that
dead.
voice?
So he's playing Left 4 Dead 2 or something.
One's lobby.
In lobby. One more.
Piece of shit.
I'll
Don't
send this
fuck
one.
with me.
Mini. I think I heard.
They go B. Oh my god, you
That was
got it.
amazing.
It's whatever. Planning for man.
Good plan.
Someone take this.
Even the plan's enough.
Yo, that guy. Did that guy just jump off?
shit,
What
that
the
body.
fuck?
Two left.
You're mid. You're mid. You're mid.
What the fuck?
I watch flank.
Wait, I'm kind of scared to do that shit. That guy jumped off too! What the fuck?
Are they infighting?
One's in smoke. On site.
No way.
Bro.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
M4,
last?
M4 on site.
That was
Nice.
last?
Hey, you're flank, you're flank.
Two more.
Bro.
Elevator. Two elevator. One more was elevator. Get bomb down. Headshot. Nice.
Oh, frick.
Elevator. Nice.
That's crazy whole camera. Yeah, I can solo be. I like that, Andrew. I
Oh,
like
my phone's under. Oh,
go
that's
connector. Go
almost
connector. Someone help him. Yeah,
Get out of there, Andrew.
They're good.
Are both top mid?
One more top mid.
Oh, one under, one under.
Watch out, watch out.
Right side, bottom mid.
Stop peeking.
Andrew's lit. He's dead.
He seems alive, bro.
Is the last one top mid or under?
Connector.
One A.
Yeah, okay.
Go B.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll play not. I'll play not.
Okay.
You love that.
I do.
I didn't
They're not
see you
nut.
back.
Can you see come here?
Wanna come back?
Yeah, just chill, just chill.
I think he might have been lurking.
Yeah, eh?
Okay.
One was in the cubby, man.
Oh, that's bomb, eh? Bomb's bottom mid.
Yeah, we're gonna have a lot of fuckers mid soon.
Yeah, we'll just keep playing sides. Mid. Nice.
One more mid. One more mid. Nice,
I got
Trevor.
flash.
Nice.
Ouch.
Any smokes?
Check donut.
Oh, fucking
Ramp. Ramp.
donut and main.
Oh, what? Hack.
Let's go.
Nice.
Dude, that was fucked.
Here, wait,
Yeah, yeah.
the other way.
Look.
What?
Right.
I hear you in there, motherfucker.
Oh, don't do weird shit. Don't do weird shit. Just let end it.
Shit, bruh.
Camera can do weird shit. You can.
Yeah, I was like, bruh, that's my whole game plan. What the fuck?
Oh, yeah, that was good. Quickly.
Damn,
Nice.
fuck.
Yeah, oh. That's some bullshit. 94 and 3. Bench.
Nice.
Oh.
That was fast.
That was a really huge flick. Undercut.
Somebody's pushed up here. Yellow, help me.
I'm here for you.
Oh, I'm scared.
I'm
That's
super
not-
looking lit. I lit the guy.
Wait,
That
someone's
guy
in here?
Somebody's here, yeah.
Where?
I don't fucking know he's here though.
You keep crab walking.
Stop.
Yeah, ready? I'm gonna wait for you.
Nice.
Oh my fucking god. Cat.
Cat.
Oh shit. Oh, I'm planning. Fuck it. Cover me. Watch the backside.
Cat down.
Ah. He's lit in snipers. Spec market.
Yeah, makes sense.
Yeah, probably.
Fucking flashing. I hit him?
Oh, I killed him?
I
So,
Market door.
Nice.
Fuck.
Our team just sprang through the smoke, killing
Here's
them
playing
all.
like a goblin.
One flash.
That shit's fucked, bro.
What the fuck? Bro. Oh. One's entrance. Let's get entrance. A entrance. Give smoke.
That's freaky. You're freak. You're freak.
No way. No way.
Oh my.
Under a palace.
What?
4x3 moment.
Bumpy to B. I don't know that
I
one.
thought it was originally on Nuke, I think. It was Squeaky. Squeaky events.
Was it?
Yeah.
My first experience with Bumpy to B was on Mirage.
I ain't afraid to cook.
Yeah, oh my god.
Mid, jump down, jump down.
Oh, there's three water. There's three.
Three water.
Sorry, bro. What the fuck are you doing?
What happened?
Dude, stop
What
screaming! Fuck!
happened? What the heck?
Dude, I opened my snipping tool.
Yeah, like, why'd you freeze?
I opened my snipping tool,
That's
bro.
okay.
Why do they chase us like
What
that?
the fuck?
What's the command for snipping tool?
I don't even know. I don't even know
Windows.
how I did that.
Like,
Oh, dude, all of them are so lit. Oh
dude,
my
press
god.
shift Windows as.
Nothing fancy. Remember, trade. You're low. Get out of here.
Bro, don't peek him. Just wait.
I'm flashing, but I'm not peeking.
Fuck, motherfucker.
I'm planting dangerous. Watch it.
Kirby's got one connector.
Oh, they saw me. That was his flash.
Fuck. Blind. Pushing main.
You dirty dog. Oh my god.
Oh my god! I'm here.
Holy fuck! Did I just?
Well played, bro.
Okay.
Well played as shit.
That was insane, bro.
Dude, I don't know what the fuck I just watched.
I'm sorry.
He's punning.
Oh
nice.
my god.
That was real good, Anthony. Fuck.
No.
B. I'll be.
Volleying. Oh,
Let's
let's
go.
go.
One guy had his knife out.
Outbound. Nice trade.
One guy had his knife out. What the
Oh my
fuck?
God.
Bro, I think the double molly's the play, bro.
Yeah,
Double molly's the
actually,
play.
that actually fucked him up, bro.
Dude,
Nice
let's
job,
start
guys.
ADR. Or utility damage,
Dude,
is it?
that's crazy.
Jesus.
Nice.
Nice. Oh no! No, fuck!
Oh my god.
Something went wrong right here.
can see
Oh
it.
shit, bro! Dude, look at Tyler, Look at Tyler.
Do you want an
Everybody look at him. Everybody look
No,
at
I'm
him.
using it. I'm using it.
This guy's fucked over here.
You're that fast, bro.
I know.
No, it's just because Carmen was getting donut, so I had to wait.
Hey, donut. Oh shit,
Bro.
it's fucked. Oh, I got him. The name.
Go!
We have their spawn. Nice.
Oh
Garfield.
shit, Garfield!
Let's go B. Let's go B.
No way, this guy's
Just follow him.
fucked!
Just
Let's
follow
go,
the
let's
leader.
go,
Just
let's
follow
go.
the leader.
Let's
Good. Go. Come on.
Top mid.
What the fuck, Carly? Oh my
This guy's
god.
fucked, man.
Hold donut. Yeah, good idea. Okay.
So you still like
I
fuck.
think you're still dead.
What the fuck was that?
Tough. That's tough.
Someone get that recording, bro. What the fuck was that? He's trying to stop.
Give an hog.
Water's lit.
Okay. Just hold it.
Shit, bro.
What?
Bro, what is that? What is that?
On your
That did not.
It's lit.
Need him to death.
Oh, nice.
that works,
Nice
yeah.
cover.
Dig it! Oh, Marco, what the?
Alright, kid.
Speed.
Two backside.
Quickly. Hop ender.
I'm coming.
Right side window, right side.
Dude.
Yeah, as soon as I hear him, I'm nading this.
Small it now, bro.
Yeah.
One side.
Oh.
That was crazy, fuck.
No, he doesn't know. Good time.
Oh fuck.
Okay.
This sounds pretty crazy.
GG, you're the best.
Oh fuck! I was trying to for really concise nade, bro.
You did. It was precise though.
Oh, I hit that guy 56 too. You would've died to the nade.
Shut up, Anthony.
I'm stuck on a weeby pop right now. That's why.
Well, I saw it bounce back, and I was
Wait,
like,
what did you
fuck.
just say?
Huh? What?
He said,
Yeah.
I would be stuck in the weedy pep.
I heard I'm stuck in a wee wee pop right now.
Yeah, what?
What's that?
Dude, I hope you get a fucking knife,
Why
man.
is this so slow?
Open. Did I open the...
CT.
Oh, fuck! Get the fuck away from me, shit.
Bro, this guy kicking so hard. What the fuck is going on?
It's true. That's fucked.
That's good.
Nice
Shit!
trade, nice trade.
Does you rotate?
Yeah. No, take it.
Okay.
Oh, you good, you
Dude, I had to.
Bait every single one of you.
I'm sorry.
Why don't you
No,
not
I
do
support that shit.
Bergam, you see it?
No, that's pretty fire.
It's me and you. You see it?
Did
you get it?
Yeah.
Fuck.
Oh my god.
They're both lit, they're both lit. Nice. Oh no!
That's crazy.
Oh shit!
Oh my god! Where do you want to ram?
You didn't, motherfucker.
Yo,
Nice, it's
my
getting
shoe
fucking
keys,
blocked.
my shoe key is not working, bro. I'm sorry.
Shit.
My shoe key's not working. I'm sorry.
Brandon, I swear to God.
I'm serious. I'm so serious. What the heck?
I need to help you.
Two.
But you never seen this before, Carmer?
Stairs.
What?
Right there.
I've never seen that before, bro. What the fuck? I've never seen that before, bro. What the fuck?
Henry, come back. Can you rotate? Come back.
Yeah, you can rotate.
Come.
Come.
Go. I was moving that whole time. One's lit. One of both.
Oh shit.
Carnage.
That's me.
Yo.
That's crazy.
That's pretty good.
Oh, good half.
Fuck.
Are you happy? Are you fucking happy?
You hit that B
No.
hop. You hit that B hop too to get out of there. I'll clip you, motherfucker. I'll put you in the highlight reel.
Damn, fuck.
Shit.
Fuck. Let's go.
You cheeky fucker.
Now you're just mastering. They like you?
Yeah.
Oh,
Understood.
he DC too. He DC.
Understood. Plant.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Dude, just hold
I'm
it down.
trying. Oh my god.
Brandon, I'm gonna kill you.
Oh my god.
One's heaven, opping. Fuck.
Flashing.
Heaven opping, he's low.
Come back. Rotate. Walk. How do we get down quietly?
I can't.
Like that. Oh my god.
It's fine. Zine's fine. Go back quick.
Oh fuck.
Let's bomb.
Yeah, but they're mid.
One more. Oh, bro.
Why don't you let me fire cover?
Oh, GG.
That game?
Watch my TT.
Oh my god!
Dead.
Nice. What the hell?
I'm waiting for smokes now.
I don't think we have a jungle smoke.
That's okay. Wait.
The fuck? Oh, there's elevator.
Yes.
Eat shit, motherfucker.
I don't think it'll work. Oh, this will work.
He's
No,
right,
he did
headshot.
not at all. He's headshot. That distracted me. That actually distracted me.
My bad. Run! Oh! We're good. Don't. Yo, dude.
Bro, I actually died. The only reason I died is. Oh.
What? Well, that was an insane flash.
Oh.
Oh god.
What? Did you shoot me?
My bad. That's too far.
Get bomb now, get bomb now.
You did.
I like shot the.
Oh,
Yeah, my bad.
palace.
Wait, I killed him with the
How'd you
smoke.
kill him with the smoke?
It's not planning for you.
I don't think it's planning for you. That's not.
Oh, he meant defuse.
Fuck it.
That was fucked.
Yeah, got smoke too. Fuck.
Plan. But imagine I pull it off.
Nice. They don't. There's at least 2 on A.
What the fuck am I doing?
Oh.
Insane. Oh!
Oh, he blocked my smoke.
Where?
What the fuck is going on?
He's an A, he's an A!
A? Stars need bombs too.
He was opting from hell last time.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Oh, he pushed up.
Just fucked him in the jungle right now. This is the fucking Andrew spot. Yo.
Oh my god.
Nice. It cracked.
Squeaky?
Nice.
Fuck.
One's dinged.
Nice. You got this. No.
Oh.
Bro,
Oh my
what the
God.
fuck? Dude, you were...
No.
That was insane.
That was insane.
They were ready, fuck.
Dude, what the fuck?
Did you guys see the way he like burst out of vents? He,
Yeah.
like,
That's just freaky.
you know he like broke his W key. Okay.
Pushing.
They push mid.
You got pick B. Up. Oh,
Hey, rotate, come back.
nice.
Rotate.
No, we got 2B. We got 2B.
They're
No,
rotating.
let's go mid rush.
It's a good play. It's a
Oh,
good
CT, yeah.
Nice.
Alright, let's go ahead.
Wait, Carmen's just fucking them up.
Fast A. They're rotating by now.
Go.
They're holding it down.
Carmen's fucking their whole asshole.
He's just gonna get the ace, bro.
Where?
I'm just pre-firing.
Carmen, that was fucked. Ace? Carmen didn't reload, I don't think.
One more mid. He's in the corner.
I wanna plan B.
Corner.
The fuck?
CT.
That fucking walked away.
Oh, he's on bomb.
The last guy.
He's on bomb.
What is he doing? He's trying to defuse?
Dude, look at you saved Carmen's life.
Oh, through the fucking connector.
You're gonna unblind.
Cat.
Oh,
Cat
cat,
connector,
yeah.
I think.
It wasn't smoke.
Or smoked out abs.
Really? That's fine.
Yeah.
Dude, what's the smoke for this, bro?
He has,
Oh my god.
One, van.
Oh my
Oh.
god.
Big bomb.
Big bounce right back.
He's gonna want to ace. Nice.
No ace, no. Nice.
Oh my god.
You fucking needed that.
Dude, it's...
Hey, tick.
Yo! Oh my god!
No way.
Wait,
you
flip it.
serious?
Wait, flip it around.
What the
Flip it around. Flip it
I didn't
around.
even know you opened it.
Dude, shadow
Flip it
player.
around.
Flip it around.
Flip it.
Flip it around.
Aw,
Dude,
okay.
dude,